What's up everybody, welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're checking out the CT series connectivity kit from our friends over at AMX. Roll the flashy intro thing. All right, let me try and break this thing down. When you're creating high-level AV installations, things get complicated fast. You have multiple devices, displays, microphones, cameras, all working together to create a functional environment. That being said, at Evolution, we try to make it so our installs are as user-friendly and as streamlined as possible. And devices like the CT series help us do exactly that. With the CTC system, we have a transmitter and a receiver. Now, we'll take the transmitter box and we'll install it in a discrete location like underneath a boardroom table. It will have multiple connection points such as HDMI and USB. The receiver end is connected physically to the displays, cameras, and audio devices in the room at a separate location. What this means is that anybody can walk in with a laptop, tablet, whatever device they want, and simply plug into the transmitter, and they gain instant access to all of the AV in the room. The CTC transmits the device data to the receiver in full 4K resolution, so there's no quality loss in your presentation from any of the devices. The biggest win from this device is that it basically enables Streamline BYOD, bring your own device integration, for multiple rooms. It will automatically allow a visitor to take over the entire room AV with no hassle. To put it simply, let's say you have a boardroom that has ceiling microphones, speakers, and a room camera for conferencing. If I show up with my laptop and I plug it into the CTC, all of that AV basically becomes mine to use for my laptop. So this is a big deal for boardroom AV because the user has no technical stuff to fumble over. They simply walk into the room, they plug their device in, everything works, everything auto switches, there's no stumbling on technology. Thanks again to our friends at AMX for sending us this CTC system and letting us throw it around. It's a super handy piece of hardware for businesses looking to have a streamlined, professional boardroom experience. For more information, check out AMX's website at amx.com, and as always, you can find us at evolutionav.ca. I'm Cody with Evolution, and we'll see you in the next one.